Okay, student, to be continue. Packing expense account. Packing expense is a it is a business expense. Nominal account. Petty cash account is a real account. It is a one type of cash. National Saving Certificate NSC. This is an investment, and this certificate issued by Indian Post in our India. So this is investment, real account. Loss by fire, it is a loss, so nominal account. Income tax is a personal expense, so be careful. Income tax is a personal expense, it is personal account. Income tax refund is a personal income, also personal account. Goods distributed as sample is a goods distributed sample is an expense, it is advertisement expense, so it is nominal account. Number 8, continue. Closing stock account. Closing stock is an asset, real account. Fixed deposit is a property, real account. Sales return, real account. Goods burnt by fire, it is a loss, so loss means nominal account. Sundry expense account, nominal account. Charity account, nominal account. Goods stolen account, it is loss by theft, so it is nominal account. Prepaid salary, student be careful. Prepaid salary, only salary is a nominal account, right? But prepaid salary means advance payment to employee, and employee is a person, so it is personal account. Reserve fund account, reserve fund is a part of profit, right? So it is nominal account, reserve fund. General reserve account is a part of a profit, appropriation of profit, it is also nominal account. Exercise 9, workman profit sharing fund account. This is amount payable to workmen, right? Sometime workmen employed as a partner of the business. In that case, workman profit sharing fund account is created, it is personal account. Workman saving fund account, it is also personal account. Due interest, unpaid interest, outstanding interest, they are representative person, so it is amount payable to someone, personal account. Rent received in advance is a personal account. Bad debt reserve, right, it is probable loss, so it is treated as a nominal account. Discount reserve, again provision against expense, so it is nominal account. Sales tax is a business expense, nominal account. Income tax is a personal expense, personal account. Sale tax refund is a nominal account, it is business income. Salary is an expense, nominal account. Question 10, some special accounts are given, be careful student. Unpaid salary, personal account. Apprentice premium, student, do you know apprentice premium? Apprentice premium means what? Sometime some employee come to the business to get training, and businessmen charge some fees from this employee, it is income for business, so it is nominal account. Interest on loan is an expense, nominal account. Horse cart, horse cart is a real account, it is property. Outstanding wages, personal account. Depreciation on furniture, depreciation is a expense, nominal account. Octroi is an expense, nominal account. Bank charges, expense, nominal account. Gold silver, property, asset, real account. Rent and tax, expense, nominal account. Okay, thank you.